I'm smiling through my sciatic pain right now. I don't know if anybody asked for the health update, but I've had like sciatic nerve issues. I think it like kind of started in my 30s, and I've never had it this bad. It's only ever lasted like a couple hours in one day. I'm on day 6 straight, and I am going to the chiropractor tomorrow, so I will let you all know what they say. But I've got a Dollar Tree haul. I went in here because I had to look for that powder. If you did not watch my Walmart, are you guys tilted? If you guys did not watch my Walmart haul, I will link it down below. So good. I learned about a shower routine that I don't know why it didn't come sooner into my life, and it's truly changing the game for me. So once I learned about all the products, all the things, you definitely have to go watch that video to understand how important this haul is. But I knew once I saw the product, the moment I saw it, I was like, I've seen that at Dollar Tree. So I had to go get it, and I did. But then of course I walked into this Dollar Tree, hit quite the little jackpot. So let's dive into it. Let's start off with how much I spent, although I just ripped my receipt. Although I removed a couple things already as well from here. So $48.75 is my total, but I think there's like a couple of things I removed. I got myself a Coke and a candy, and I think that might have been it. First, let me touch on this damn freaking sciatica for a second. Sorry for the cussing. My brain's, okay. I found this. I've never even seen this before a day in my life at Dollar Tree, and I even forgot that I got this. This is an instant cold pack to go. Bumps and bruises, inflammation and swelling, muscle spasms and pain. And to activate, you squeeze the sides until you hear a pop, and then you shake and you wrap in a towel, and then you apply it. So don't apply this directly to your skin. I will be using this. I think it's like is it a one-time use? Do not reuse. It says, it has the number 2 and it says no. I don't know what I'm gonna be like in today's haul. I feel like I'm on the verge of a crash out, and we're gonna keep the camera rolling to see what happens. I got 2 of them. Yeah, because as we speak, the nerve is just, she's shooting pain all the way down to my calf, and my whole left leg is numb. All right, so we found that. Then I found borax powder. You guys, what a score in my opinion. This is the brand Home Bright. Ooh, Home Bright, Scrub Buddies. I mean, they're kind of a little bit different. They each put out kind of different products, not necessarily competitive products, but they're my top 2 favorite cleaning brands at Dollar Tree. So I found borax powder. I think this is so good. It's a laundry booster and multi-purpose cleaner. So helps remove stains and neutralize odors. Laundry, bathroom, kitchen. For your bathroom, you can sprinkle borax powder on a damp cloth, and you can wipe down your shower tub tile. It cleans without chemicals or scratching surfaces. It removes soap scum, hard water stains, and dirt. Does it remove sciatica pain? I mean, we can eat Tide Pods. Can I eat borax? In the kitchen, it enhances cleaning power of dishwashing detergent, helps remove grease, makes dishes sparkling clean. So you can actually, I didn't know that you could put this in your dishwasher. But I definitely saw it as a laundry booster. I just recently got into all the knowledge on how to wash tennis shoes, and I bet this little guy here will make my shoes super white. All right, then, if you didn't see yesterday's video, you know I went and picked up the Dove bar of soap. Now, I'm on the shea butter and vanilla. That's my favorite Dove bar of soap, but on all the videos that I watch, the queens tell us exactly how to shower ourselves. I've seen this a lot as well. And I was thinking the sensitive one could be really great for that time of the month kind of thing. And then I've seen a lot of the original in the videos too. And if they use it, you bet my sciatica nerve I'm gonna use it. Then I found a new mask. This is a big name brand. It's not owned by Dollar Tree, and it is currently on Amazon for $7.49. Go scoop that up. I love that it's pink too. It could be cute for like the teachers. I don't know if you ever do like a gift at the end of the year. I love the watermelon theme, very summery. I remember when I would do gifts for my daughter's teacher on the last day of school, I would do a summer theme, like a beach towel, a bag, a magazine kind of thing. I think the watermelon could go with that. Also for Mother's Day. So there's that. Here's my next bag. And I wanted to restock some of my cereals. I've been eating cereal at night and I've been loving it. So Honey Nut Cheerios, Fruity Pebbles, and Lucky Charms. I think I got another one. Did I not get Captain Crunch? I guess I didn't. I also picked up some more candies. Actually, I wanted to really go in and kind of redo my candy cabinet in my kitchen because I've been leaning more towards chocolate lately rather than candies. And so I definitely want to restock, but on this trip, I actually grabbed a basket, not a cart. So I just ran out of room, but just know in one of my next hauls, I'm going to hit all the chocolates up and we're going to like do an organization and restock my, media candies, if you will, for when I watch movies. Then I found these, run to get them for the kids or if you're into junk journaling, because I think these are so cute. These are a little click and play like sensory toy. Sensory toys are so popular. I can't believe that they're being sold at Dollar Tree, but these have, it's like a little keyboard. Oh my God, I love that. Let's go ahead and open it so we can take a closer look. I love that it has the keychain thing. And so for me, junk journaling, I love that. Can add it as a charm. And yeah, it's just like a little sensory toy. And I love how it's clear with a little touch of glitter. Kind of reminds me of my pager in the 90s when my sciatic nerve wasn't a problem. Anywho, love those days, but comment and let me know what color pager you had. Man, I had the clear pager where you could see all the bits and goods of the actual pager. And when I had that clipped into my jeans, I thought I was the baddest in the town. You couldn't tell me damn different. I got 2 more of these. Look how cute. And then I found this one. So let's go ahead and open it. It looks like a little Tetris block, which is so adorable to me. Honestly, I love that for myself. Like, even if you're kind of like, maybe you can tend to experience some social anxiety or being in a line. I experience line anxiety like no other business, okay? This could be like, a little like fidgeting toy. Okay, so I thought that was a cool find. And I'm heavy into 4th of July right now. I've been doing a lot of organization and planning for decorating, so that video is coming. I'm also going to take you guys shopping with me. I'm going to show you how I build my shopping list so I don't overshop and get things I don't even have a place for. So there's going to be a whole tutorial video on that, and then we're going to decorate together. We're even going to decorate some cakes and make it fun. But I've been heavy into 4th of July. Look at these beauties. If you don't run right now for these are absolutely gorgeous. They could be great in a tiered tray. They could also honestly be cute for gift giving. Like if you're just like your love language is gift giving like me, these would be cute for a gift basket. This one has like navy beads. And then this one is navy with red beads. So love that. And I specifically got this red one. If I remember through editing, I'll try to throw up a picture. Depends on how long I can sit in this chair with my sciatic nerve. But I picked up the red one with a picture that I saw on Pinterest. Then I picked up these banners with the American flag. They have like little silver curly cues, super cute. By the way, my 4th of July kits, they're up and running. And I can't wait for you guys who's already ordered to get theirs because I've added some new things. We're seeing all of these, the little glow wristbands, super fun. And then I had to get my favorites. You get a 3-pack of American flags, I don't even know. And I decorate the whole house with these. They just look so good. And also, I will link last year's Decorate With Me for 4th of July. Go watch it, maybe that'll give you some inspiration. We're gonna add a couple more things this year, but I love these flags and I use them throughout the house. So I wanted to get some more. I also want to decorate the front door this year, which I did not do last year. And I'm thinking I might add some flags like this to a wreath. I thought that could be cute. Okay. Let's see. Also, I just now remembered what a jackpot this haul was. Look at this new toy. Immediately, this is going to go to my nephew, but this is a crossbow toy. You can see the little boy holding it there. Definitely got to send that to him. I think he's still a little young. He's not 5 yet, but I'm still going to send it. I know he's going to be sharp enough to figure it out. So we got him that. And then I found a Taylor Swift crossword puzzle. For all my Swifties out there, this is just the cutest thing. And it's like a coloring book too. Like, look at her and all her little outfits. Is this from the Eras tour? I don't know, but there you have it. So, and then some new crossword puzzles, but they are spiral bound. Losing my mind over this find. This is so good. Beautiful. I love when they make it chic. Makes me actually want to throw it into a purse. And these were the colors that I found. So, my favorite. Wow. We haven't quite determined that yet, but okay. Yeah. Just all the crossword puzzles. And I don't know if there's like a theme. This came from somewhere else because the price tag up here says $4.99 and $5.99 Canada. Why is it always higher in Canada? Anyways, so I don't think there's like a specific theme, but these are brand new and they're super cute. So go get you some of those. Y'all. Dollar Tree put out some new flashcards. I haven't even opened it. I didn't need to. I knew from the box alone that I was going to lose my mind over this. And if you're new to my channel, hi. My hobby is junk journaling and I'm a woman obsessed, and you can't pry it from my sciatic nerve hands, okay? So I need to get into this. I only found one of this set. Also, let me know, am I missing a set? Because Dollar Tree typically does things in 4s and I only have 3. I knew it. I freaking knew it was going to be cute. I love when they're plain, like when they don't add too many lines or patterns. Yeah, that is super cute. Oh, look at the back. The back is so good. Because I work in color palettes for junk journaling, you know, so that's just, oh my gosh, you already know. These are going to be in my hauls for the next 6 months, over and over and over. Then I got 3 of these with the cards. These are more ABC. So let's see how cute they are. Looks like, oh, do you like, that's interesting. Do you have to pair it up together? I think so, yeah. Like, that is really cute. So you've got to find like the pair that goes with it. Look at the pirate ship. Oh my gosh, the pirate ship is so, look at her. P is for pig, T is for tree. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Look at the mermaid, star, and the octopus. Hold on. Some of them are like singles and some of them you have to like pair to get the cow with the yellow background. Obsessed. Yeah. Already 3 packets of this is somehow not enough for me. So there's that one. And then I got 2 of this pack, which these are sight words. These could be a little bit busier, we'll see. Meaning like, are there a lot of words? Oh, I love this. I just really like when there's like a black font text and then like a colorful border. It just looks so cute in a junk journal. If you don't junk journal, probably wouldn't make any sense or do anything for you, and I totally get that. But for me, I love, because like I said, I work in certain color palettes. So like if my junk journal that I'm working on is orange, pink, and purple, I can pull just like this pack. Anyways, okay, so there's that. And another new product, Smart Care. I've never even heard of them, but look, it has the Dollar Tree sticker on it. So is this a new brand on the scene? This is alcohol and dye-free pure aloe, which I need some of this actually. I've heard a lot about using aloe right after you shave. So keeps the, like any razor burn, rashes, like any of those things. So I'm trying to get into the habit of adding aloe like right after I do that. And then the whole reason why I went into Dollar Tree is for the powder. But this is the entire reason why I went to Dollar Tree, was to get these cornstarch powders to make my own dusting powder. Again, it's gonna make no sense to you if you did not watch yesterday's haul from Walmart, but I know I'm about to smell so good, so I've got to make it now. I still haven't found a little, glass container to put this in, but basically I'm gonna make some dusting powder to put on my skin to make my scent last longer, and I'm gonna pour that vanilla sugar perfume oil into the powder like you saw. I actually threw up a video so you guys could kind of see how this works. So definitely go watch that. Like I said, I'll link it down below, but this whole time, this has been sitting at Dollar Tree, and I just never knew what goodness it could be used for. And that is my Dollar Tree haul. I'm gonna go ahead and say goodbye. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I will see you tomorrow. I think I'm gonna be posting my bathroom makeover. I hopped onto Amazon, found pretty much almost everything from Amazon. We're gonna give this bathroom finally a makeover in my craft room. Wait till you see what I've been keeping in the tub. That's all I'm gonna say. That and my sciatic nerve is just really bothering me.